Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I haven't been on here in a minute, so a little bit of a rebranding, but that's good. It's on period. Ooh, look at my nails, y'all. I can't. It's okay. It's gonna get done for my birthday coming up soon on the 4th. Yes. So anyways, we're gonna package an order for Marilyn Roberts. I don't know. I think I did her package the last time. But shout out to you, girl, whatever. She ordered quite a few color powders. I wasn't gonna film, but I thought, why not? So we're going to do so now. So look at these packages, my little pouches. Aren't they so cute? They're royal purple. That's like the color scheme of my whole site. And I have plenty of colors. It's in my Etsy. So if you guys want to still check some out, I think a lot of them are already sold out. Oh shit, girl, get it together. But there's still some available, so whatever. Anywho, I'm going to go ahead and start by putting the purple shredded paper, grass, however you call it, inside the box at the bottom. And then she ordered 2 packets of baby pink. She also ordered 1 of fresh squeezed lemon, 2 totally teals. They're so pretty. 2 sunburned siennas. This one's one of my favorites because it's like, I don't know, it's just cute. 2 dark pinks. 2 Cheeto dusts, which is also another favorite of mine. 2 summer peaches. Get in there, girl. 1 forest green. I love this one. This one's my favorite too. It's super pigmented. 2 shamrocks. 2 breakfast at Tiff's. And then a dusty purple and a neon yellow. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure that it's good and stuffed up in there, looking all cute. You can see me at the side. I'm just double checking her invoice, make sure I have everything that's supposed to be in the box, you know what I'm saying. And also I keep this invoice in a little thing myself because you are going to need taxes. Well, pay taxes. If you have a shop, no matter how big or small, the IRS still wants their money, baby. So I keep track of every invoice from my very first launch all the way until today in this little booklet. I still have some, as you can see here, that I need to put in and file, but it's really good to keep these because when you do your taxes at the end of the year, it just makes it a lot easier. So yeah, keep that. You're gonna need it because you're gonna do taxes, period. Okay, anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and include an Ader gym chalk just because she went all out and she deserves. So we're gonna put some gym chalk in there as well, and then we're gonna top it off with more of the little paper. And look at how pretty this black paper is. It's so luxurious and smooth, and we're just gonna crumble the bitch up. After I just said that it's luxurious and beautiful. But this is going to make sure that everything doesn't move in transit, and it lessens, anything spilling. And so that way when she opens it, it looks exactly how I packed it. Okay? So we're going to stuff it in there, and it's also going to protect the gym chalk too. Since I didn't do the bubble wrap, I'm just going to use the paper. It's already pretty stuffed, so it'll be fine. I'm also going to fold up her invoice. That way she can look over everything and make sure everything is in there that she ordered. So yeah, I'm gonna put that inside of the box. Oh, nice. And then I'm also gonna put my my little card in there. It says PettyASMRR on the front, and then on the back it just says thank you, and it lets you know how to open everything if you got reforms, because I pack them pretty tight. So that's just for the customer, and everybody gets a little free little glitter shaker, so she gets that. And then we're gonna go ahead and tape her up. Now I have a system for mine. We're not just gonna put like one little measly tape on it. That's just not gonna do. It's gonna fall out. You're gonna put one all the way across. You're gonna get them creases, okay? Make sure your finger touches every crease. You're also gonna put it on the sides as well. That way nothing falls out. You're probably thinking, oh, you use too much tape, baby, I ain't got money for tape. They have a set of 6 for $14 on Amazon. That's the one that I usually use, which lasts me about like 2 restocks. So yeah, check that out if you want to. So yeah, we're going to put one more tape at the top, make sure everything is good to go. And at this point, this is when I would put on the shipping label. I'm not going to do it now just so you don't see her information, but you can put it sideways or front raise. It's really, whatever you want to do. But yeah, I usually put it, or is that horizontal? Yeah, I put it horizontal. And then I start putting on those fragile stickers. That way, you know, because USPS they can be trifling sometimes. I need them to know that this is precious cargo. So we're just going to put a fragile sticker on the side and on the bottom, just so we can lessen any chances of them fucking up our shit, period. Then you're going to get your scale. I use an accountI scale. It was pretty cheap. I put the little about how much it was over there at the side. And then I'm going to make sure that I level it out, put it in 0, and we're going to weigh it. Now, Etsy, it allows you to put in a pre-amount of how much you think it'll be, like how big you think it might be. But I always make sure that I weigh it right before I make the little things, just so that I'm accurate. So I weigh it on the bottom and the side, and I write it down on the invoice that I keep. Not the one that I give to the customer, the one that I keep. That way I have it for filing. So now we take our little box and we're going to go put our sticker on it. When you start your shop, I don't care if you sell earrings, lashes, whatever it is, you make sure that your branding is on every single thing that you have, period. So you put your little sticker on there. I put it on the box. That way when they get it and it arrives, they already know whose it's from. So that's really exciting. Also make sure that your colors coordinate. I have these royal purple bubble mailers, so for smaller packages, and they get that as well. So that's really cute. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you want to see more of these. I'll see you guys later, and I love you guys. Bye-bye.